In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a copy of the supplier invoice receipt or other supporting documents in Iris KashFlow. This useful task will streamline your workflow and keep your records organized and easily accessible. Now let's dive right in and look at how you can do this effortlessly in just a few steps. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Iris KashFlow. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL at the top of your screen, or simply use a search engine to find the KashFlow login page. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for the Customers tab. Click on this section to access your customer list. Now that you're in the Customers area, find the Import option on your screen. Clicking this will lead you to a menu where you can manage different types of files relating to your customer data. What you're doing here is prepping to attach the necessary documents in an appropriate format, ensuring they're ready for the procedure that follows. Once you're in this section, you need to click on Import CSV Files. This step is crucial as it highlights your intention to handle data files particular to customer relations. A little tip here is to already have your CSV file prepared before you reach this stage, which makes the process a lot smoother and without interruptions. Next, once you've ensured your files are properly imported, you'll want to send a statement. The Send Statement button is what you are looking for. Navigate